Have you ever thought about how NASA managed to make changes to its rocket engine? It's really interesting. Today, we are going to explore the world of rocket science. We will focus on the process of making changes to rocket engines. This need arises because of the continuous changes in space exploration and the constant aim for better performance and safety. Changing a rocket engine is not as easy as replacing a few parts. It's a big job that requires exact calculations, precision, and a lot of patience. The challenges are huge, from making the engine stronger and more efficient to keeping the astronauts safe and the spacecraft durable. Every single change, no matter how small, can affect the whole system. This makes it a hard and careful job. So how did NASA handle these challenges? Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do when tweaking a rocket engine is to understand how it was initially made. This is not just about checking old drawings and seeing what part goes where. It's like being a detective solving a tricky puzzle. Each part, even the smallest nut, bolt, or wire, is important. The shape and angle of each piece affect how well it works. Understanding why things were made this way is really important. Here, information is vital. We collect and study every detail about the original engine. This could mean looking at old documents or testing the engines we have now. Modern technology helps a lot. High-tech software and computers let us create and study how the engine works in ways we couldn't when they were first made. After understanding the original design well, NASA was ready for the next step. NASA had the original design and was ready to begin the big job of changing it. Redesigning a rocket engine is not easy. It's a long journey with many things to think about and problems to overcome. The team had to make sure the engine was fuel efficient, could resist high temperatures, was not too heavy, and was powerful enough. And of course, it had to be safe, which is very important for any space mission. They used computer simulations to test their ideas and find any problems. They then built real-life models of their ideas and made them better. These models were changed and improved until they were just right. The team had many problems, but they never gave up. They used all their knowledge and creativity in this job, trying to make the engine work well and be safe. After working for a long time, the new engine was ready for the last, and maybe the most exciting step. The big moment was here. It was time to try out the updated engine. Everyone was eager and excited. The engine started up loudly, its sound filling the testing area. It was like a musical performance of science and engineering. The worry turned to joy as the engine passed all the tests, showing how well it worked. With this successful test, NASA finished updating the engine. But what does this mean for exploring space? The fixing up of the rocket engine is a big step forward for NASA and all of space exploration. It means we can do more things and do them safer and better in future trips to space. Imagine we can reach further into space and learn more about the universe. The work done on the rocket engine shows just how clever we are and how much we can do in space. If you liked what you learned today, you can subscribe for more interesting things about science and technology.